I heard the music. I know y'all heard the music. It's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. If you're not subscribed to the channel right now is the time to subscribe. Make sure your notification bell is on. So each and every time I upload in this thing, you are alerted. So let's talk about it. Laundry is coming this fall. I talked about it in yesterday's video a little bit, but we're going to hit on it and vote on it today. So I'm going to show y'all how to vote. But first, let's talk about the daily deals, okay? So they are having buy three, get three passed. Okay. $10 Moxie, which is shampoo conditioner, pass. Okay. $8 mason jar candles. What we gonna do? Pass. Okay. And $3.95 wallflowers. Maybe. Like if you really need wallflowers, go ahead and get them. Don't use your coupon. That's good for SAS for that though. I don't use that coupon, but $3.95 if you want to, you need them, get them. But do I need them? No. So I'm probably gonna pass. As you know, SAS, they might have the 75% off ones, and I'll load up on those. So what y'all think of this week's sales? This came from Life Inside the Page Daily Finds. If you're not checking out her blog spot, what is you doing? Go check Tess out. And make sure while you're on the blog spot, click a few of those links. That way our girl gets paid for her hard work. Because Tess puts a lot of work into that blog and she should get compensated. So make sure you're clicking on some links. She probably can't say it, but I can because it ain't my blog spot. So I can say it. So okay, click a few of her links. But these are the deals that are coming up for this week. And I'm trying to hold on tight. Okay. I am clutching my pearl. Okay. Because I do not want to spend any money. But this is what we've been waiting for, Laundry Day. So you have to be an app member. You go, you click on it to vote, and then you get to vote from all these different scents that are available that they're going to be having items in. So I'm just going to show you. I did mahogany teak wood. I did sun drenched linen, of course. I mean, sun drenched linen just goes with the theme. Also went with fresh sunshine because it went with the theme. Cozy cashmere as well because ooh, I would love to smell like that in the fall time. Smell like cozy cashmere on your clothes? Yeah. And then they leave a spot if they miss something, if you want to add something. Now, let me tell you one thing we ain't gonna add, okay, is Miss JCB. Okay, she can stay where she at, okay? We don't need to have her in laundry detergent. So name that fragrance. Y'all better not be putting JCB in there because how does that go? Okay. If we wanted to smell like mothball, let me stop. Let me stop, y'all. But everybody, are you ready for the fun? Are you ready for fall and laundry? I'm getting it. Like, even if it called, no, because if it's outrageously priced, I ain't gonna do it. Yes, I am. Because I'm doing this for research purposes. Either way, I'll get it and try it out. But guys, I need y'all to go check out Queen of the Girl Geeks if you haven't. She's getting groovy over on her page. She got her hands on some of the new that ain't even out yet. My stores ain't got it yet, y'all. Soon as they get it, I'm gonna have it in my hand so I can review it for y'all. But she got groovy, and y'all need to check out her video and see how the mashup went. She got some previews going on, and she just, popping her stuff. I love me some Miss Bonnie. So if you're not checking out Queen of the Girl Geeks, getting inside information, because sometimes her stores get things before our stores even get them here in Texas, check her out. She'll definitely keep you in the know. And she does upload, I believe, daily. She uploads a few times a day. So you guys are always getting new information. So if you don't check out Body Care King, go and check out Body Care King. This is cute. Okay, it says Life is Sweet. Now this is from Five Below. So Five Below got some new body care going on. So that makes me think, okay, Tina, do you need to hit the store and go to Five Below? Now I'm gonna ask y'all, do y'all want a Five and Below video? I always call it Five and Below, but it's actually Five and Beyond or something now because they got stuff in there that's $20. Okay, so they went from five all the way up to 20 where they do that at. Okay, but if you want a video, let me know. I can bring you a walkthrough of the store. And this is just some drugstore new. I was at HEB, which is equivalent to, like I said, a Walmart. And this is just some new that they had. And I figured I didn't want to do a whole video at HEB and stuff like that. So I took a few pictures and I'm really interested in that Pixie Sun Mist. It's Sun Mist 50. So I'm really into that. So I might get that. And then the Physicians Formula Diamond Setter. So it is a setting spray for your face, I'm believing, because it say it's a diamond setter. What else is just setting but your makeup, okay? Now, if y'all missed the video that came out yesterday, y'all need to check it out because Trader Joe's, okay, got the Brazil nut body wash in, and I took y'all there and to Target, showed y'all the new Trader Joe's bag, and I just wanted to repost this picture because I was looking good, y'all. Was not looking good. You know, when your hair just do what it need to do. Okay, it was doing what it needed to do. So I looked at good. Now, this is a new drink I found at HEB2, and y'all know if I see new things, even drink-wise, I let y'all know. This is Bubblicious Strawberry. It's an energy drink from Ghost. Zero, I think it's 0 calories, I believe. It's 0 calories or it's real, real low in the calories. And I think it has no carbs or something like that. So, y'all need to find it, try it out. I know I need to get my hands on it again and get another one in my game. Now, let's get into my final thoughts, okay? Many people forget the goal isn't money. The goal is to spend your days as you wish, okay? We are not supposed to be working until we're dead in the ground. That's not what we're supposed to be doing. But some people will have all the money and they'll keep working themselves in the ground, never take a vacation, never take a break. Yeah, you left that money for your other family members, but what did you leave for yourself? You left this world with nothing. And then what if the people you gave it to, they don't even spend it right and they spend it right and they leave you bankrupt? And then you lost everything that the business put together after your death and the whole legacy gone. Okay, so I believe in generational wealth. I definitely believe in it. But remember to take time for yourself. You built that little nest egg. Okay, it's okay for you to take a break. I'm not saying take years off, but take time for yourself because it's needed. So when you get into that career path and whatever you're looking to get into and it's finally paying off the way you want it to, take a breather for a moment. Take some time to yourself. Go on vacations once in a while. I'm not saying every week, but if you got it, do it, girl. But take time for yourself. Make sure your mental health is together. And don't always think about the dollar so much that you miss out on life. Because a lot of people, they have it all and they still miss out on life because they're trying to keep chasing more and more and more and more and more and more and more. Now, I know if you ever been in a sales job, you would know that. I know in my job, that's how it is. You have a good week, and all they keep saying is, you can make more money. Why don't you put in an extra 5 hours? Make some more money. Make some extra money. You're already at the highest bonus tier. Keep going. Go ahead and put in these extra hours of overtime. And then next thing you know, you put in 7 hours, 8 hours, 10 hours of extra overtime. You got the money, but you didn't spend no time with your kid that week. You didn't spend a lot of time with your kids because you was at work and your kids didn't get to do nothing over the weekend. Look at that. You got the money, but you didn't get to do anything. And your kids didn't get to see you. So remember, don't always chase the bag. I'm all about getting the bag. But once you got the bag, you secure it and you got what you needed plus some, and you got enough to take care of more than what you need to take care of. And then others, learn to take a moment out for yourself and to spend your days doing what you want to do, especially with your children if you got children. Okay, so that's all I got for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe. Check out my Trader Joe's video and DJ. One time for the people that's excited for the SAS in the front and the back. Play my music.